Audio version of the article by Alexander Ovsyannikov, founder of Real Estate Group. How to make money from Dubai's property boom in 2024. A guide for smart investors. Part 1 of 7. Want to buy real estate in the United Arab Emirates? Write to WhatsApp +797 737 65428, and we will find the best options for you. Everyone buys from us. Introduction. Dubai is one of the fastest growing and most profitable cities in the world for real estate investment, offering an average return on investment of 7% in 2023. This is due to the strong demand from both local and foreign buyers, as well as the positive impact of the Expo 2020, the Al Maktoum International Airport, and other megaprojects on the city's economy and infrastructure. However, not all areas of Dubai are created equal when it comes to rental yields, capital appreciation, and market demand. In this article, Real Estate Group will explore the best places to invest in Dubai for high returns, with insights from leading property data providers and experts. Real Estate Group will also compare for strategies for investing in apartments in Dubai. Strategy first. Flipping. Buying a built property, renovating it, and then reselling it. Strategy 2. Buying a built property, renovating it, and then renting it out on a long-term basis. Strategy 3. Buying at the start of sales of real estate under construction with subsequent resale after completion of construction. Strategy 4. Purchase at the start of sales of real estate under construction with subsequent long-term lease. Real Estate Group will also compare the 4 strategies of investing in apartments in Dubai. Flipping, long-term renting, buying off-plan, and renting off-plan. We believe that investing in apartments in Dubai is a smart and lucrative move for any savvy investor who wants to diversify their portfolio and capitalize on the city's growth potential. However, before you make any investment decision, you should do your own research, consult with experts, and compare the pros and cons of each strategy and area. Are you ready to discover the top 7 best neighborhoods in Dubai to invest in apartments in 2024? Let's get started. Chapter I. The top 7 best neighborhoods in Dubai for apartment investment in 2024. 1. Downtown Dubai. Downtown Dubai is one of the most vibrant and dynamic areas of Dubai, offering a mix of modern architecture, cultural diversity, and entertainment options. Here are some of the main aspects of downtown Dubai that you might want to know. Attractions. Downtown Dubai is home to some of the most iconic landmarks in the city, such as Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world, Dubai Mall, the largest shopping mall in the world, and the Dubai Fountain, the tallest performing fountain in the world. You can also enjoy cultural events at Dubai Opera, a stunning performing arts venue, or explore the history and heritage of Dubai at Al Fahidi Historical Neighborhood and Dubai Museum. Real estate. Downtown Dubai offers a wide range of residential and commercial properties, from luxury apartments and penthouses to offices and hotels. The area is popular among investors and tenants as it provides high-quality amenities, security, and comfort. Downtown Dubai is home to some of the most luxurious and prestigious apartments in the city, with high-end amenities and stunning views. It is also one of the most sought-after areas for both buyers and renters, especially tourists and business travelers. The average rental yield for apartments in downtown Dubai was 5.1% in the first half of 2023, while the average capital return was 8.7% in the same period. Returns on apartment sales in downtown Dubai are also high, as the area attracts affluent buyers willing to pay a premium for quality and location. However, the initial investment is also high, as the average price per square foot in downtown Dubai apartments was $887,514 in the first half of 2023, and the average rent is $127 to $148 per year. Stores. Downtown Dubai has a variety of stores to suit every taste and budget, from high-end fashion brands and designer boutiques to local and international retailers and souk. You can find everything from clothing and accessories to electronics and home decor at Dubai Mall, which has over 100 stores and 200 food and beverage outlets. You can also browse the shops and stalls at Souk al-Bahar, a traditional Arabian market, or visit the Gold Souk, where you can buy and sell gold and jewelry. Restaurants. Downtown Dubai has a diverse and delicious culinary scene, offering cuisines from around the world. You can find restaurants serving Arabic, Indian, Asian, European, and American dishes, as well as cafes, bakeries, and fast food outlets. Some of the best restaurants in downtown Dubai include Armani, Amal, a fine dining Indian restaurant, Al Halab, a Lebanese restaurant with views of the Dubai Fountain, Marquette, a cozy cafe with crepes and salads, and Mado, a Turkish restaurant with desserts and ice cream. Infrastructure. Downtown Dubai has a well-developed and efficient infrastructure with a modern highway system, a driverless metro system, and a water taxi service. You can easily access and travel around the area by car, taxi, bus, metro, tram, or boat. The area is also connected to other parts of the city and the country by Dubai International Airport, Al Maktoum International Airport, and the Dubai Cruise Terminal. Hospitals. Downtown Dubai has several hospitals and clinics that provide quality healthcare services to residents and visitors. Some of the best hospitals and clinics in downtown Dubai are Valiant Clinic Hospital, a premium multi-specialty hospital, Dr. Sulaiman Al Habib Hospital, a specialized hospital for eye care, HMS Al Garhoud Hospital, a hospital with a wide range of specialties, and Burjeel Hospital for advanced surgery, a hospital with a focus on orthopedics and sports medicine. Daycare centers. Downtown Dubai has a number of daycare centers and nurseries that offer childcare and education for children aged 0 to 6 years. Some of the best daycare centers and nurseries in downtown Dubai are Creative Kids Elk, a nursery that follows the Finnish curriculum, International Specialty Medical Center Daycare Surgery, a nursery that provides medical care and supervision, Blossom Children's Nursery, a nursery that follows the British curriculum, and Jumeirah International Nurseries, a nursery that follows the Early Years Foundation Stage Framework. Transportation. Downtown Dubai has a convenient and affordable transportation system with a variety of options to choose from. You can use the Dubai Metro, which has 2 stations in the area, Burj Khalifa, Dubai Mall, and Business Bay, to reach other parts of the city. You can also use the Dubai Tram, which connects to the Dubai Metro at Dubai Marina, to travel along the coast. You can also use the Dubai Bus, which has several routes and stops in the area, to get around the city. You can also use the Dubai Water Taxi, which operates from Dubai Creek to the Arabian Gulf, to enjoy a scenic ride on the water. You can also use the Dubai Taxi, which is available 24/7, to get to your destination quickly and comfortably. Population. Downtown Dubai has a population of about 100,000 people, according to the 2019 census. The population is composed of 75% males and 25% females, and 85% expatriates and 15% locals. The population is also diverse, with people from different nationalities, cultures, and religions. The most common nationalities are Indian, Pakistani, Bangladeshi, Filipino, and British. The official language is Arabic, but English is widely spoken as well. The official religion is Islam, but other religions are respected and practiced. Downtown Dubai was an interesting place to visit and live in 2022 and 2023, as it witnessed many events and developments that enhanced its appeal and attractiveness. Some of the highlights of downtown Dubai in 2022 and 2023 were the opening of the Museum of the Future, a futuristic museum that showcases the latest innovations and technologies that will shape the future of humanity. The hosting of the Expo 2020, a global mega-event that showcased the achievements and aspirations of more than 190 countries and millions of visitors. The launch of the Dubai Stars, a walk of fame that honors celebrities and influencers from various fields and industries. The completion of the Dubai Creek Tower, a new landmark that surpassed the height of Burj Khalifa and became the tallest structure in the world. The celebration of the 50th anniversary of the UAE, a milestone that marked the achievements and progress of the nation and its people. The business and cultural life of downtown Dubai is vibrant and dynamic, as it offers a range of opportunities and experiences for professionals, entrepreneurs, artists, and enthusiasts. The business life of downtown Dubai is characterized by a thriving and diversified economy, with sectors such as tourism, trade, finance, real estate, and technology contributing to the growth and development of the area. A supportive and innovative environment with initiatives such as Dubai Future Foundation, Dubai Startup Hub, and Dubai Design District providing resources and platforms for startups, entrepreneurs, and creatives. A competitive and attractive market with incentives such as tax exemptions, free zones, and ease of doing business attracting local and foreign investors and businesses. The cultural life of downtown Dubai is characterized by a rich and diverse heritage with landmarks such as Al Fahidi Historical Neighborhood, Dubai Museum, and Sheikh Mohammed Center for Cultural Understanding, preserving and showcasing the history and traditions of Dubai and the UAE. A vibrant and creative scene with venues such as Dubai Opera, Dubai Design District, and Al Circle Avenue hosting and exhibiting various forms of art, music, theater, and design. A cosmopolitan and tolerant society with people from different backgrounds, cultures, and religions coexisting and interacting in harmony and respect. The advantages of living in downtown Dubai for couples, families with children, and young professionals are a convenient and comfortable lifestyle with access to a range of amenities, facilities, and services such as shopping malls, restaurants, hotels, schools, hospitals, and parks. A central and strategic location with proximity to other areas of the city, such as Dubai Marina, Jumeirah Beach, Business Bay, and DIFC, and easy connectivity to other emirates and countries. A lively and exciting atmosphere with a variety of events, activities, and attractions, such as the Dubai Fountain, Burj Khalifa, Dubai Aquarium, and Dubai Frame, that cater to different tastes and preferences. Downtown Dubai businesses also benefit from a large and loyal customer base with a high population density and a high disposable income of the residents and visitors of the area. A prestigious and reputable image with a high quality and high standard of the products and services offered in the area. A collaborative and cooperative network with opportunities to partner and work with other businesses and organizations in the area and beyond. Downtown Dubai is an interesting neighborhood to read about for everyone, as it showcases the vision and ambition of Dubai and the UAE, as well as the diversity and dynamism of its people and culture. Downtown Dubai is a place where the past and the future meet, where the local and the global blend, and where the ordinary and the extraordinary coexist. Downtown Dubai is a place where dreams come true. Want to buy real estate in the United States? Write to WhatsApp +797 737 65428, and we will find the best options for you. Everyone buys from us. Listen to part 2 for the continuation.